Here we've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then click on keypad because that's the place where we'll be entering secret codes. And let's start with the first one, which will provide us with regulatory information. So to reach them, press *##07#. And here you've got all the necessary info. Just click whenever you want to on the screen to go back, and let's enter a second code, which is *##2486 *##. And here we've got the engineering mode, where you can perform some tests. So here, decide if you would like to allow this feature to use your camera, actually not camera, but screen, to take pictures and record videos. Then the location. Okay, so there's one necessary detail, so let me provide it one more time, and let me click only this time. Okay, so here we've got it, and now you can use either those automatic tests, or you can go here and then you can run some tests on this device, then it will be checked. So this is it. This is how you can use this option. If you will tap on M test factory mode error, so as you can see, this one requires factory mode, and then you can smoothly perform it, and this is how all of them works. So that will be all for this engineering mode feature. Let's open phone information now. To do it, press *##4636 *##. And here we've got the testing mode performed by Google, where you can check the debugging information, phone information, user statistics, Wi-Fi details, and NFC settings. So let's go. Let's start with the last option. So here you can manage your NFC feature. Then under Wi-Fi info, you can check Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. Then you can check user statistics. So as you can see here, we've got all apps and details regarding the usage. Then under phone information, you will be able to check email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, and so on. Also, this panel allows you to run a ping test, and below you've got the results. And the first option is the back information. So here you can smoothly check it right here. So that will be all for this code. Let's go back. And another code that you can use here is *##426 *##. And here we've got Fcm Diagnostic Mode. We can check events and status. If you tap on more icon, you can enroll advanced view then to reach some further details. And this is it. That's quite a simple code. Another one would provide us with all events and celebrations that we've got in the future. So let's enter *##225 *##. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info, and all the calendars are included. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event. And the last code that I would like to share with you today, it's a pretty short one, and it's *##06#. And this is the device information where you can find serial number, email number, and so on. Tap on OK to close it. And that's it. So these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.